Okay guys, happy 4th of July. So we're putting some fireworks out. As you can hear, there's fireworks playing. Okay, I think we should.
This guy first?
Yeah, that one. Dad, say hi.
You want to?
Say hi, viewers.
What's up, peeps? It's about to go crazy.
A ton.
There,
Okay.
come here.
I'm gonna hold. Okay, let's see what else.
You gotta push this forward and then squeeze the trigger. Push that forward, squeeze the trigger. Here, I'll push it forward. You squeeze the trigger. Squeeze it and hold it. Oh, squeeze it. Wait, hold on.
Oh, there we go.
Back it up, baby.
Okay, guys. Yeah, that's some sick fireworks. But that's not the best one yet.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going, bro.
It's like mini fireworks in the sky, though.
Mini babies.
That was sick!
Not bad, not bad.
Okay, guys, that was sick. So,
Here, let's move down this way.
let's move it down. I'm gonna move it down this way. I'm gonna put the camera, like, right here. Okay, good enough. There we go. That's what we call fireworks, bro.
Look back there. Mikey.
Wow. Wow, yeah. This is what I call fireworks. Okay, that was kind of, whoa.
Pretty good, pretty good.
That was real cool. Okay, that was pretty good. So, make sure to
Look
subscribe.
back there, man.
And there's some
Those are huge ones.
good fireworks back there. If you saw them. There's epic
Oh,
fireworks.
those are pro.
And those are like pro fireworks. Okay, next one, guys. Let's do this. My dad's lighting it up. Now, let's stand back and subscribe before this blows up. It'll kill you. Okay, guys. That was.
And here
It's
it
gonna
comes.
go. Come on. All that smoke is kind of crazy. Come on, here it comes. Well, that's big. That's probably taller than me. Well, that was actually sick.
That was pretty good. Pretty good.
Okay, guys. Like and
Let's
subscribe
see,
right now
what
if you
else we
didn't.
got?
We got that one. It looks pretty good.
This one looks pretty legit.
Yeah, we'll save the best for last.
North Rockland's firing off right now.
Really? Where? Bruh. Okay, my dad's gonna light it up. Let's see. Gotta look the back. Let's see when Monstrosity uses this.
It's alright.
Okay, that was pretty cool at the beginning. I want more poppers. That was.
A little weak.
Oh, did you see that? They're doing some sick fireworks back there.
Here's the Phantom Fire Pit.
Phantom Fire Pit, that looks good. This is it. Show it to camera. This thing.
Bam! The fire pit.
Yeah, this is gonna be
See
sick.
what we got.
Okay, let's see what things we're gonna get into now. Oh, look at that! There's fireworks back there, definitely. But I swear, if no one else is celebrating, let's go. Okay, stay back. Now this is where we get it at. Oh well. What do you see? Anyways, let's get back to ours. That's what I call fireworks. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, guys.
That was a pretty good one.
That was pretty good.
Not bad.
So, let's pick the next one.
This
That's
one?
another fancy one. Show it to the camera, Dad.
Check it out. What do we got here? The Fracture Fountain.
That looks pretty cool. Okay, so for some reason, my dad's just leaving them in the street. Probably someone's going to run them over. So, anyways, let's get started. And also, guys, wish me a happy 4th of July in the comments. And also, definitely make sure to like and subscribe.
Pretty good one.
That's a pretty good one. My dad's right. It's a good one. That's what I call fireworks. Bro. Oh, yeah.
There we go. That was a good one.
That was epic.
That was
Okay,
pretty good.
subscribe if you like that one, or comment. Comment Happy 4th of July. And I'll
Right, this one's
write you
called
back.
St. Elmo's Fire.
St. Elmo.
St. Elmo, Jack, this one's for you.
It's Elmo. But
Memo, St. Memo's Fire.
it's Elmo. Elmo. Bye bye. Bum, 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 bum.
All right.
Bye bye, Elmo.
That was very short, very furious.
Elmo's death. Okay, next one. We don't
What
have
we
to
got?
care. What do we got here?
Spark Plug Fountain.
Why is every single one we're picking it has the name Fountain? And this is my dad's car, by the way. It's right there. It's real cool. Let me just get back to the video.
Here we go.
Okay, now this is going to be a banger. Okay. I love the pops.
Yeah, the top's good.
Yeah. And guys, happy 4th of July, and I hope you like it. That was pretty good. Okay,
Not bad.
so if
What do we
you
got here? We got
subscribe,
4 more.
you'll have 10 years of good luck. And we have like a lot more like these.
A couple more.
Wait, did we do
here.
this one?
No, not yet.
We will save the last one for
Which one do you want to save for the last one?
the best one. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna save this one. This one. Okay, you ready, guys? Happy 4th of July, and here we go.
Oh, come on. Do
Come
some
on.
things. Ah,
Come on.
what a dud.
All right, there we go. It's gotten building up. St. Elmo's Fire, bro.
Very light.
That was
Very
very boring. We're saving this one for last.
This one for last, so we'll go
Those
with this
two,
one?
no, those big two for last.
All right, let's see.
And
What
we'll,
we got here?
wait, why don't we light them at the same time?
What, these ones?
No, the big ones. The big ones at the same time. Like this one and this one at the same time.
We can do that.
Okay, next one, guys. Now, Dad, what's it called?
Let's pop off. We're going to pop off 2 of these at the same time.
Oh, good. Good. Okay, this is gonna be sick. Okay, guys, happy 4th of July, and here's the next one. I keep on saying happy 4th of July, even though I already did. Oh, did you see? I saw that. Dad, did you see that big firework?
Doubles.
Doubles. Guys, you ready?
Stand back.
Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's because they're mixing. That was pretty cool.
Not bad, not
So,
bad.
yeah, that was pretty good. Now let's get another one of those, Jeremy's. Should we set them both of them?
You want to double again? We
Actually, you know what? Just one.
got just one at a time.
Let's make some little more like time for the video. Okay. You ready, guys? Here's another one. It's gonna be cool. Anyways, let's get into it. Happy 4th of July again.
Oh, there we go. Oh,
It died early.
big burn.
Okay, we're gonna do these two at the same time.
We're doing this one.
Yeah, then we're gonna do these two at the same time. Okay, guys, here's the third to last firework. But I have a question. Why is it called firework? What is that? Oh, that was close.
I think we're out of.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay, guys, let's see how this one is. I hope it's good. Oh yeah, that's a lot of color.
Come on.
Come on,
Come on.
come on, get out. Well, it got in my face.
Hey, Scott.
Okay,
What's going on, man?
that got in my face a lot.
How you doing?
Wait, Dad, these two at the same time.
Let's do one at a time.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's like,
this is pretty good. So, anyways, let's get into it. It literally sounds like gunshots, bro. Okay, if you love my channel, please subscribe. Like, actually. Like, promise me you'll subscribe. Only have 39. Like that. Okay, there we go. It's blowing up. Now, let's see what you got here. It could have been a little better.
maybe we'll get some pops. Nope. No pops.
Nope. Okay.
No pops.
Subscribe if you
All right.
didn't like that one.
Here's the grand finale.
The grand finale, guys. Oh!
Yeah, they got some good ones though.
They got some good ones. There's Bam in it, bro. Here we go, guys. Okay. Sounds like a war zone out here. Come on, you got it. Come on, get it.
There we go.
Oh yeah, that's what I call fireworks.
Everybody likes
That was
good
pretty
pops.
sick. Okay, guys,
All right.
I hope you liked it, and happy 4th of July, and bye, and peace. Make sure to subscribe, and also like if you want to, or comment, or share the video. Okay, so bye guys.